interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing a flash flood warning for northwestern Johnson County and for southwestern Tarrant County until 1:30. Doppler radar indicates heavy rain across both Tarrant and Johnson counties. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Additional amounts up to 3 inches are forecast. So flash flooding is either ongoing now or imminent. Flash flood warning because of heavy rain in the area up until 11:30. The counties that are included, once again, northwestern Johnson County and southwestern Tarrant County until 1:30 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, and here's what we're seeing on the radar right now.
Then we're looking for the hot beats. And but some people
Including northwestern Johnson County and southwestern Tarrant County until 1:30 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
best variety in the 80s, 90s, and today. Hey, make us the #1 preset on your car stereo. And the iHeartRadio app too.
Tarrant County until 1:30 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
No matter what you're doing, no matter...
Guess how many?
You know what?
Nosotros te damos the Rangers. Stars. Money plus American Idol. Jesus. And I. The revival.
Stamina. They want to be able to...
Trap will actually trap and kill.
Key messages for North and
Trying to catch additional FM relays of a WBAP originator flash flood warning for Fort Worth. What are you doing?